Hey, welcome back to another weekly review. Um, just reviewing my trades from last week. Um, I had a good week. Um, not nothing crazy happening. Started out, had some Coinbase puts coming into the week. Um, Coinbase was up on Monday, so I took those 94 puts that I had off. Um, I end up selling. Um, Other puts, as you can see here. So I had a bunch of Coinbase like all week. You can see I had all these puts in here. I was selling, buying back. The rest of the week, you can see up here I had more Coinbase, and on Friday I had a ton of Coinbase action going on. During the rest of the week, just been taking off profits as soon as stuff decays. Just taking off profits. Had some Boeing puts. I took, swap them out for new ones. Um, uh, Amazon put, swapped out, sold some Qualcomm puts, got rid of some CLM. I had 10 shares of CLM and 10 shares of CRF. I just got rid of them. These were like, I was thinking of building a position, but I was waiting for the rights offering. Um, it's like sometime next year, so I'll just wait until whenever that happens. I'm not gonna build a position in that right now. I'm just wait. So I'll just dump those shares and let them sit there because I had 10 shares in there just stagnant in the account. I had sold a Tesla call for Friday and Tesla seemed like it wanted to do something and then it just turned back around. I don't know. I just covered the cover call and just yeah, Tesla just does what Tesla does. Go back down as soon as I sell a call. Um, and the next thing I had some Meta puts. Meta was playing with me all week. It wants to go up one day, the next day wants to go down. It was just confusing. I couldn't catch a beat on Meta this week. Yeah, that was kind of like me too. I kind of disappoint myself in that. Close up my TLT trade. What's up, Huff? Appreciate it. Sold the next month trade for TLT. Close out the Google puts. I gotta find a new position in Google this next week. I don't think I have any right now. Sold Apple 180 puts, QQQ puts in, Square puts in. I think I close out all my JP Morgan puts, so I have no puts. I won't. I don't think I'll touch it back until earnings unless it comes down. Because I want to sell puts like below 145, and there's no money there right now, so I'm not touching that. Sold a put for EMPH this week, and I sold some more IWM puts. And we can see right now in the account, the main things that is lagging back is I need to get rid of my 200 shares of AMD. Bank of America cover call is still there. I need to get rid of these. These are December 15 things that need to go. Those two, you can see all this Coinbase action on Friday. Yeah, like these are all contracts. You see the zero zero. These are all contracts that I was in and out on Friday. All these zeros, yeah, these are Friday contracts that I was in and out on Friday. Like whole lot of stuff on Friday with Coinbase. I'm up pretty good on these IWMs. So if we can get a pop to 180, like 181, okay, you can see my delta on this contract is 9. So if you can get a pop to 181, that means this contract would be up to like, 130-ish, because two nines 18, two eighteens 36. So this would be like, 130, 140-ish, and I'll be able to close this out. So that's what I'm looking for to close out this IWM put. So with that in mind, I sold this put here, the one I sold these ones here right before the close, this actual 169. So I'm kind of double dipping right now. I should have six puts, but because I'm up so big on this one, I sold this other one. So if you get a pop on IWM Monday morning, I'm closing out these puts, and that will leave me the four puts like I want to. I still got my IWMY, and as I said, I couldn't catch a beat on Meta, so I didn't make no real good money on Meta this week. I think that's it. Up to 2,000 shares in QQQY. I bought some shares this week, and SPY, I just stagnant with it. I just got two puts and didn't really do much. Uh, Everything else is sitting flat. I sold a cover call on Tesla at the 265 strike. I don't know, man. There's nothing happening with the Tiger, with the Cybertruck. I thought we'd have a run up this week, and it just sits there, man. I don't know. It's just shitty price action. The market's moving up, and Tesla is just dead in the water. And I know it's just gonna rampage one day, and I'm gonna be trapped in calls, and I'm gonna be mad. Got these TTD shares. They're just sitting there stagnant. I solo cover call on it for next week. For $20, just making whatever scraps I can. And I have this triangle here on Walmart, and I got a little cash machine down here named Win. I got the 7-7 puts. I need Win to get above 90 so I can cash in these puts for like I need like 250 out of this $400, and that's what I'm printing with. So that's the full setup. So right now my monthly income on my dividends is around 7,500, and for options right now I'm bringing in probably around almost $7,000 a month. Like this last month has been crazy. Like this last month I bringed in like probably around 13, 14,000 in November. So that's not an average month. I want to only bring in 2,000, but I've been out here going crazy. So I might want to lower my aggressiveness a little bit. Let's see what the market does. It all depends on the market. The market's good right now, so I'll take the good with the good. But yes, I'm set up good for next week. We'll see. I have this call on coin, as you can see, that's pressuring me. This is a naked call that's pressuring me, but I have three puts. So it's either I'm gonna make my money on the puts or this call is gonna pressure me. So let's see what happens. That's all I got. As I said, I'm back to doing weekly reviews because I got a little bit of time now. So that's what I'm doing again, and let's see how it goes. Keeping my portfolio theta at 200. I'm at 230 now because I have all these coin calls in here. That's what pushing me over 200. And yeah, that's all I got.